Self-opulence above pleasure right here. I got my main man. I talked about him before.
Hey everybody, I'm Kevin Londoño. Just started doing the soapbox probably about, 2 months ago.
All right.
And I've been seeing all sorts of, positive benefits out of it.
Talk about some
sharpness.
There you go.
And mentally,
Yeah.
physique. I've lost probably about 30 pounds in literally one month. Not even less. I lost 30 pounds almost.
See that?
Yeah.
Now, before you got the soapbox, you were already in here. You was in the gym, hitting the bag, jumping the rope. Do you do the sauna as well?
I do, and I actually have, honestly, I've just been sparring a lot as of lately.
Okay.
And with just sparring, and I don't do as much of all the other things, I still was able to lose that weight.
That's serious. So my point I was making was that he was in the gym, actively active, but the weight wasn't going anywhere. No. Sometimes I see someone, they're putting all the work in. They're showing up every day. That's the hardest part, getting out of bed, coming in, showing up. You were doing that. So I said, man, let me holler at this guy because you know what? He has the mental fortitude to come in here every day and really not be getting the results he's looking for, but keep pushing. You already have the mindset that you want your self-opulence above your pleasure. So what's been the biggest takeaway from the soapbox and just being on this path?
The soapbox, for me personally, it's just made me brighter.
Yeah.
As an individual, when you go into a room, you can inspire. It's a really hard world in general.
Yeah, it is.
And for everybody we're talking about America's the depression rate is huge, right?
True.
And especially in the restaurant industry where I have a lot of people that are drinking a lot, doing all those things that I used to do, right?
Right.
Depression, not seeing sunlight, not taking care of their bodies, not eating the right things. Being able to kind of, even if I'm able to inspire one person to change, that's a win.
And you've done that. You've done more than that. I see you and they're like, yo, whatever you're doing, Kev, I need to do it. You lost some weight. Was there anything else that changed up that you realized? I know you said clarity of mind.
Yeah, mental clarity is the main thing. A lot of allergy issues went away.
Okay, that's good.
For a good amount of time.
How about
I
the
needed
sleep?
to start getting back.
I know you were talking about
sleep was huge. The sleep got 100% better.
Yeah.
I was snoring a lot. I don't snore anymore.
Okay.
Yeah, so my snoring went away.
Okay.
Which I was thinking about maybe doing a surgery or maybe doing some other stuff.
Yeah.
Because I've been struggling with that.
There it is. All around better.
That's so huge.
Yeah. SOAP.
Self-opulence above pleasure.